Myself G. Loy from 2nd BTech Mechanical Engineering. Today I was explaining about classifications of centrifugal pumps in the fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines. So let's go into the topic and mainly the introduction to the centrifugal pumps. So what is the purpose of pump? The basically the main and first most requirement of pump is has to pump the water from low level to high level. So we can know in the introduction part, and centrifugal pumps are widely used to transportation of fluids to the various industries. The operation of converts rotation of kinetic energy into hydrodynamic energy. Understanding their classification helps in the selecting the appropriate pump of specification and specific applications, like a basic principle of operation. See, there is a impeller and tangential discharge outlet and arrow distance direction of rotation. By the creating of kinetic energy, we can pump the water to the up level, and the centrifugal pump utilizes the impeller impact velocity to the fluid. As the fluid exits the impeller, it shows the violet of diffuser, converting the kinetic energy to the pressure energy, and this fundamental allows the efficient fluid move across the various distance and heights. Next, classification based on the impeller design. So centrifugal pumps are classified into the single stage, multi-stage types, and single stage can have one impeller and makes them suitable for the lower flow rate and high and heads. And the multi-stage consists of multi impellers allowing them to generate the high pressure. See here you can observe there when the single stage centrifugal pump has only one impeller, and it can use it for the low level and low level discharges and low level force required when it's required, and multi-stage used for the high level force to the up level pumping of water and fluids, etc. And these classifications of pump orientation, and centrifugal pumps can oriented vertically or horizontally, and vertical pumps are commonly applications which limited space and where the suction lift is required, and the horizontal pumps offers easy and maintenance are often used in the larger installations. And we can observe here types of pumps, and boring also one type of pumps which used to lift the water from the ground level by using of a suction air pressure. And the classifications based on the number of impellers. Pumps can classified into a single stage impeller or multi-stage impeller based on the number of impellers they have. And single impeller pumps are typically similar and used to the straightforward applications, and the multi-stage pumps are more complex but allows the higher rate flow and pressures. And classifications based on the liquid characteristics. Centrifugal pumps can be designed for the specific liquid types such as clear liquids or slurries. Sorry, 1 second. And clear pumps are efficient for the clean fluids, and which slurry designed to the handle, and the classifications ensures that longevity and efficiency of the pump various applications. And next, classifications of based on their drive mechanism. Centrifugal pumps can be classified based on the drive mechanism, which can be electrical, diesel, and hydraulic. And electrical pumps are most common in the suitable for the wide range of applications, and diesel and hydraulic pumps are typically used in the remote locations like high power requirement. And specialized types of centrifugal pumps. Some centrifugal pumps are specially designed for the unique applications such as the magnetic drive pumps, and magnetic drive pumps are eliminate mechanical seals and reducing the risk of leaks and maintenance. And other self-priming pumps can be draw the fluid into the pumps without needing an external assistance. And special criteria for the centrifugal pumps, and selecting the right centrifugal pumps involves the considering the flow rate and head and fluid properties. Additional installation and space and available drive options can be influence and decision, and proper selection ensures the operational efficiency and reduces the downtime and maintenance cost. And in I have to conclude that by giving these essential informations to you, centrifugal pumps are very important in our daily life for the industrial uses and our daily life also, and it has the versatility of efficiency. Understanding their classifications, it helps in the different purposes and applications, and continuous advancement and technology will be further enhancement the capability of centrifugal pumps. And let's this is the final conclusion I have to given, and the references I taken from this, and centrifugal pump design applications by John Smith 2021 book, and fluid mechanics for the engineers by the John Downey and 2020, and pump handbook by the Iger Krasik 2022. So thank you, have a nice day guys.